Mastering Amazon Listing Optimization, a comprehensive guide to boosting sales. Mastering Amazon Listing Optimization, a comprehensive guide to boosting sales. Optimizing your Amazon listings is one of the most impactful strategies for driving sales and ensuring your products stand out in a crowded marketplace. Let's break down the key elements of a high-performing Amazon listing and how you can leverage them to maximize your success. 1. Crafting keyword-rich titles. Your product title is not just a label, it's your first chance to capture the shopper's attention and rank high in search results. A well-optimized title should include primary keywords. Identify the most relevant keywords for your product category. These are the terms potential customers are likely typing into the Amazon search bar. Integrate these keywords naturally into your title to improve your product's visibility. Be clear and concise. While it's important to include keywords, your title should remain clear and easy to read. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can make your title look cluttered and unappealing. Highlight key features. Use your title to emphasize the most important features of your product, such as size, color, material, or any unique selling points. This helps shoppers quickly understand what your product offers and why it's the best choice. 2. Light bulb writing. Engaging bullet points. Bullet points are your opportunity to make a strong case for your product in a concise, easy-to-read format. Here's how to make them work for you. Focus on benefits, not just features. Customers want to know how your product will make their life better. Instead of just listing features, explain how those features translate into benefits. For example, instead of saying, waterproof, say, stay dry even in the heaviest rain with our waterproof design. Use persuasive language. Your bullet points should be compelling and encourage action. Use strong, positive language that persuades the reader that your product is the solution they need. Prioritize information. Place the most important and impactful points at the top. Shoppers may not read all your bullet points, so make sure the first ones are the most persuasive. 3. Camera with flash. Showcasing with high-quality images. Images are one of the most powerful tools in your listing, as they give shoppers a visual understanding of what you're offering. To make the most of this, ensure your images are professionally taken. Invest in high-quality, professional photography. Clear, crisp images help build trust and convey the quality of your product. Cover multiple angles. Include images that show your product from different angles, so customers can get a full understanding of its appearance and functionality. Include lifestyle photos. Help customers imagine using your product in their daily life. Lifestyle images that show your product in a real-world setting can make a huge difference in convincing someone to make a purchase. Use infographics. Consider adding infographics that highlight key features or provide important information, such as dimensions, materials, or how to use instructions. This can be especially useful for products that require more explanation. Pro tip: Bar graph continuous optimization. Amazon is a dynamic platform, and what works today might not work tomorrow. That's why continuous optimization is crucial. Monitor performance metrics. Regularly check your listing's performance, including conversion rates, click-through rates, and search term reports. This data will provide insights into what's working and where you can improve. Respond to customer feedback. Pay close attention to customer reviews and questions. If you notice recurring issues or suggestions, update your listing to address them. This not only improves your product's appeal but also shows potential buyers that you're responsive and customer-focused. Update regularly. Don't be afraid to tweak your titles, bullet points, and images based on performance data. Even small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in sales. Tell me in the comment section, what's your top tip for listing optimization? Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.